10 mysterious animals found in the world's secret habitats. Axolotl. The axolotl is a rare amphibian that inhabits the ancient lakes of Xochimilco, which are located close to Mexico City. Often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, this species is actually a salamander rather than a fish. The axolotl's ability to remain in its baby form throughout its life is what makes it so unique. Unlike other amphibians, it never changes. It also possesses the superpower to regrow a leg, tail, or even a portion of its heart or brain if it is lost. Unfortunately, pollution and dwindling habitats have made axolotls extremely threatened. Aye. The aye, a nocturnal primate that resembles a cross between a squirrel and a bat, lives in Madagascar's forests. Its long, thin middle finger is its most peculiar characteristic. It listens for insects moving inside trees by tapping on them with this finger. When it locates them, it chews a tiny hole and extracts them with the same finger. The aye, once feared by many residents, is actually just an ingenious insect hunter carrying out its ecological role. The blobfish. Perhaps the most misunderstood animal in the world is the blobfish. It inhabits deep waters close to Australia and New Zealand. The blobfish appears fairly normal in its natural high-pressure habitat. However, its body becomes squishy and saggy when brought to the surface. Blobfish are not very muscular. Instead, they don't need energy to float just above the ocean floor thanks to their jelly-like bodies. Despite their rarity, they play a significant role in deep-sea ecosystems. Dugong. The big, peaceful dugong lives in the warm coastal waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. They are related to manatees and are sometimes called sea cows. Dugongs help keep underwater grass beds healthy for other marine life by eating seagrass. Their calm, slow-moving nature makes them easy targets for pollution, habitat destruction, and boat collisions. Despite being protected in many countries, dugongs are still considered vulnerable. Gharial. The long-snouted gharial crocodile inhabits rivers in Nepal and northern India. Its sharp teeth and slender, fish-hooked snout make it ideal for capturing fish, which is its primary food source. In order to attract mates, male gharials even develop a bulb-like structure on the end of their nose that facilitates the production of bubbling sounds. Due to dam construction, river pollution, and human disturbance of their natural habitats, gharials, which were once common, are now in severe risk of extinction. The kakapo. The kakapo, a large, green, flightless parrot that is only found in New Zealand, is most active at night. It cannot fly, so it moves by walking or climbing. Males make a deep, loud sound that echoes through the forest during mating season. Once widespread, human-introduced predators like cats and rats nearly wiped out kakapos. Less than 300 remain today, and conservationists are working tirelessly to save them all through careful breeding and monitoring programs. The pangolin. The only mammals with scales all over them are pangolins. They are proficient in consuming termites and ants and are found in parts of Asia and Africa. They aid in managing bug populations by using powerful claws to rip into nests and a long, sticky tongue to catch insects. Pangolins protect themselves by curling into a tight ball when they feel threatened. Unfortunately, they are the most traded mammal in the world due to extensive hunting for their meat and scales. Today, conservation organizations are fighting to save these gentle, timid animals. Armadillo, the pink fairy. The tiniest armadillo species, The pink fairy armadillo is found in Argentina's arid grasslands. Its soft, pink shell helps control its body temperature, and it's only around the size of a hamster. Spending the majority of its life underground, this small armadillo is a powerful digger. It avoids predators by feeding on roots and insects. Because it's so secretive and its habitat is shrinking, it's one of the least studied animals in the world. Saiga antelope. The arid grasslands and deserts of Central Asia are home to the saiga antelope. Its big, pliable nose, which warms chilly air in the winter and helps filter dust in the summer, is its most distinctive feature. Saigas migrate great distances in search of food and water, and they are swift runners who move in large herds. Because of habitat loss, disease, and hunting, their numbers have decreased recently. Deer with tufts. The tufted deer grazes peacefully among the trees in the forests of China and parts of Myanmar. Males have tiny, fang-like tusks if you look closely, and the animal is small and timid with a dark tuft of hair on its forehead. These aren't for eating meat, they're used when males fight over territory or mates. Tufted deer are mostly active during the early morning and evening, and their quiet nature makes them hard to spot in the wild.
We'll be right back.